What's up, guys? It's Chef Tim. Now today is a little bit of a different episode because of the fact today is, I want to call it my redemption. As all of you know, on November 26, 2016, I was on God's Grocery Games on Food Network. And so the unfortunate event happened where I was eliminated first round. And even though I was a good sport about everything, and I wish every person who was in there the greatest of blessings and just greatest prosperity in their lives, something like that, it really hit me hard as a chef. And then something hit me. It says, it's time to reinvent who you are, Tim. And so I basically dove back into culinary, full force, as if I was a freshman first day, ready to relearn. I got back to books. I relearned old methods that I thought were useless and adapted them to my current style of cooking. And I just made this thing a badass universal phenomenon chef. I hit it hard. I came back strong in the network. And this is why we're doing these videos. This is why you're seeing everything going on in my career and with my crew. Because today is redemption. Now, what am I making? If you haven't guessed by now, then I'm going to tell you today. I'm making the same Polynesian salad I made on God's Grocery Games. But I'm gonna stop myself where I made all the mistakes at and make it the correct way so you guys can see how this salad should have been done. So today is redemption, and you're gonna whip it up with Chef Tim. So, the question is, Tim, after your defeat, or after you get eliminated first round, what did you do? Not gonna lie, I just kind of buried myself in my books, and I decided to reinvest in myself, reinvest in how can I make myself stronger, how can I make myself better, how can I make my flavors more potent, how can I just really rock out being the chef who I am. And so I was reminded, go back to when I was a child. When I was a child, I just fell in love with food. I didn't care how it was made. I just wanted to know food, learn food, and learn how to do it the proper way, and learn how to put my own spin onto it. So today, we're doing that same Polynesian salad. That's right, the same one you saw me do. The same one I got botched on for, what was it? Let's see, not making my dressing spreadable, or be able to be dressed over the salad. So we're gonna rock this out today, guys, okay? Because I'm excited, and we are going to do some fantastic renovations to this and make things happen, okay? So I'm gonna get my tools out of my kit and make it all better. All right, so my tools are ready to go, and I'm gonna put this back over here, put it out of the way. Now, before I even get started over here, first thing I always do, you guys have seen this every episode, is wash your hands, okay? Because today I'm working with chicken, and I'm also working with vegetables and fruit as well. So we don't want to sit there and get chicken on a pineapple, or even get anything on our lettuce or our salad. So what I'm gonna do first is start to put the marinade on our chicken, okay? So I'm using chicken breast today because that's what I use when I do the challenge. So before that even happens, I'm gonna place this aside over here, out of the way, and I gotta put together the marinade, which also includes fresh pineapple and mango. So let's cut it out. So one part of being a chef is being able to create magic through fruit. So today I'm gonna chop some pineapple. So, we'll cut it out, it's fine. Cut it out. So, pineapple's ready to go. So we can cut up our mango as well. So, let's cut the mango up.
Mango.
Alright, so now that we have our pineapple and our mango together, I'm gonna put this aside over here. So, what I'm gonna do right now with this mango and pineapple is set it to the side and start our marinade for our chicken. But first, I'm gonna cut into it, okay? So let's just get this out of the way. Clean our board and ready for chicken, okay? So, for our chicken, I'm gonna do a quick butterfly on the bad boys, kind of just half them that way, you know, I'm not gonna leave a hole like that. So we get more out of the chicken, okay? This also helps out with quicker cook time as well. Bowl. Put the bad boys in there. Set this to the side as well. Get started on our marinade. For this marinade, it's very simple, very easy. I'll use some soy sauce right here. I'll do about 2 tablespoons of this, maybe 3, depending on how you like it. A little bit of mango in there. Go on. Pineapple. Pepper. Salt. Throw some ginger in there. Garlic powder. We all love garlic powder. Paprika. Do a kick of chili powder in there as well. And kind of make it come together a little better. Evo. About 2 tablespoons, okay? Let's get in there, bad boy, good and deep like. So, just gonna let it marinate together. Now, don't let it marinate too long because it can also break down the muscles of the chicken. So we're gonna leave it in here for about maybe 15-20 minutes, not even that, okay? So let's go back over here. Wash your hands. Then we're gonna wash our cutting board as well. Let's start cutting up stuff for our salad. This is a simple recipe. Not gonna take too long, guys. Just in and out, in and out, in and out. One of the things I did for my salad is I did some fried wonton shells on top of the bad boy. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna come over to my stove here and get my oil on a medium to low heat, okay? So this is very simple. I'm gonna take these bad boys right here. Let's cut them in half, okay? Nothing major, voila. Simple, easy, plain. Let's get our lettuce cut for this. Hulk smash. Please put that in there. Like the whole Hulk music. Or I don't know. Something like superhero music. If I'm a superhero like that. Watch your lettuce. This is an organic romaine. So if I was telling people you can go organic, please do. It's much better for you. It's much better for the environment as well, not a lot of pesticides. And you're probably supporting a third world country by going organic. And they have growers there who need wages. So please, get organic. Alright. Get the dressing for the salad. Now, the one error I made that I kick myself every time I made it. I look back on what I made. Is I took an already whipped cream cheese, put it in a RoboCoupe with a cream-based dressing. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take some soy sauce here, okay? I'm gonna take about half a cup, okay? And I'm going to take a small amount of the cream cheese, not too much because you don't want that flavor too overpowering. Cream cheese, okay? Put it in like so. Give a good whisk to that. Okay? Now, stop here. Bring over some Evo to this. Do a little emulsification here. Very nice and slow. It's almost like you're doing a balsamic, but we're using it with soy sauce. So, I'm not gonna get it too mixed up. It's about right there. That's a good base right there. We'll take some more of this mango, put it in there, okay? take some more of this pineapple, put it in there. We'll take some red pepper flakes that are open. Give a good amount to that because you want to give it a little kick. Salty, salty, salty. Pepper! Pepper! Where is your pepper? A little bit of garlic powder. And this is how I should have done my dressing. Loosen it up. Give it a nice loose touch. Okay. To the side as well. Close that way up. Wipe down our board. And guys, we're actually almost done with this, so it's not gonna be too much longer. We're just waiting for our oil to heat up. Then I'm actually gonna start a minute to heat up my grill. So I'm gonna start frying up my wontons here. My grill's getting ready for my chicken. Wontons, about half what we did. Salt your nuts. A little black pepper. A little ginger. Fresh your nuts. Alright, so we have finished off our chicken. What I did was I also grilled off the pineapples inside of what that was marinated with the chicken, as well as the mango to cook that juices off of there. Get that nice grilled up. I also sauteed off my pecans, however you want to say them. Everything's ready to go, and I also seasoned up my wontons with a little salt, pepper, garlic, and ginger. Now, this is the part that's get a little festive, okay? We're gonna do some carrot ribbons to go all over the salad, okay? Now, that's part of the day. Play up time. Whatever, have fun. So, bases of the salad, romaine, okay? Now, I'm not gonna do too much. Right there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my chicken on almost a little bit of a bias here. Give it more of a shingled effect. And yes, like before on the show, the chicken came out perfectly. I want that word right there. So, I'm gonna do the revisions that I was to do on the show. He said, where I had on my mango, I should have done more pineapple. So I'm gonna do two types of pineapple here. I'm gonna do one, a raw pineapple, do a grilled pineapple as well. Just kind of, okay, here we go, there we go. Now I'm gonna do some nuts here. And then I'm gonna do a little mango as well. Not as much as I did before, just to make sure. Let's do some pretty little carrot ribbons, okay? Now, this is the best part right here. Well, I did this, they didn't come out as well as I wanted them to. So I'm gonna do wontons over here. Okay, folks. Like so. I'm gonna take this chicken. I'll cut so beautifully for you guys. Put it over here. Just right here, delicious. I'll put it over this chicken like so. Okay, some of that over there, over here. And there you have it, folks. Easy peasy. Polynesian salad. I want to first thank you guys for tuning in to this episode of Whip It Up with Chef Tim. This has been something that has been closure for me, and I thank you guys for being a part of it, because now we can really make some history, make some things great along with some great food. And please, please, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe on all our avenues for CTJ Films, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also to our YouTube channel. Please Spread the word around. Share this as many times as you can. Tell other people. You guys need to tune in to Chef Tim. So this is my closure. I feel great about it. Stick a fork in it. It's done.